Hi, I'm Heather and I'm with Chick-Fil-A in Oswego, Illinois. Our experience working with holiday outdoor decor was really positive from beginning to end. Very communicative and answering our questions and making sure that everything was set up and working properly. We started the planning process over the summer, talking about what we were looking for and our goals were for the lights, from the concept and planning, and then the execution of the actual installing of the lights. During the construction of all the lights, we actually got updates with little snippets, which was really awesome for our team. We really had a nice visual of what everything would look like, and for our marketing director so she could start to plan events for the holiday season.
3, 2, 1!
Hello, I'm Margaret. I'm the marketing director here at Chick-Fil-A Oswego. We wanted to get in the holiday spirit, and we thought, how can we bring in the community to want to come here at Chick-Fil-A?
We had lots of time to plan and make sure everything was set up, and we got everything that we were looking for.
For the drive-thru, we wanted our guests to have a fun experience while in line. We have lights on top of our canopy with the Christmas tree up on top, and the best part is the tunnel of lights that the guests go through while in line.
We knew we were set with everything.
We've mainly received positive feedback from our guests and from our team about how much they like the lights in our display.